What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you how to set the alarm and time on this 8:20 ATM. Seriously, in the date. So first I'll show you how to set the alarm. Turn it on and then hold down the alarm button. Then wait for it. Oh, you hold on the set button, I must say. You hold on the set button like that, and then you can adjust your alarm like this. Damn, at 11 a.m. wake up. Wait, really, that's not what I want. Let's put it back to 6. It doesn't look like those buttons. Those buttons don't work when you set the alarm. You only have to push these arrow buttons right here. Set the time and things. Right now 6:45. So I want to change the time to 6:48. This is just a joke, by the way. So I set the date. So I want to make it 2026. This is already 2026. So it's 2025. So we're going to do 2025 push into March. So I want to be April 19th. Wait, this is I set time 7. Let's actually adjust it to just a little bit. Let's actually make it 6:48 for real. And 12 hours just does that. Up to 24 right now it's gonna be 12 to 24 is like military time. Yeah. And then I decided to save the sound for a little bonus trick. It works both ways, like, yeah. See? Sounds disabled. Now we enable it. Anyways, that's it.